Oh no. Ang sakit.
Next time, diba?
Kasi.
Ah.
Okay, ready? Okay. Inhale. And exhale. Quite stiff. Slide back a bit this way. Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay. One more time. Breathe in.
Relax ka lang. Wala kang life insurance.
There. Face me on your side. Yeah, this way, this way.
Yung katulad kanina. Sa kabila.
This way.
Sa kabila.
Face me.
Sa kabila.
So here, here. Okay. Here, and then turn your head to look here. Yeah. Alright. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Rock.
Other side.
Sa kabilang side naman.
Okay. So same.
Tayo mukha mo dito. Yun mo.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe out. On your back, like facing up. Tihaya.
Ihaya, oo.
Yeah.
Tapos, akyat ka konti.
And then slide down.
Ay, baba pa pala. Baba pa.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, cross your arms. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. And slide up a little bit towards. Okay.
Ayun yung masarap. Oo. Hanggang gumalaw. Relax ka lang. Hindi, hayaan mo lang yung flow niya. Huwag mong kontrolin.
Relax here.
Good ba yung feeling?
Nakita yung mukha mo dito sa video. Ayan.
Tapos na?
Sarap? Yeah, tapos na. Yeah.
Yeah, tapos na. Oh. Wala tingnan. Sarap no? Ha?
Tingnan ako.
Oo. Oo. Ang sarap no? Oo.
Sarap? Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Awesome. Excellent.
Balik tayo.
Ba't ganito yung pag-up sa akin? Mali.
Pagkatapos, sarap matulog.
Okay. So, so we'll start with you, okay? So after taking a look, right? In your case, actually both you girls, right?
Wala akong
It's
pagbaboy na
having a little bit of this type of
tinatawag.
posture, right? So when you don't have good posture, and your shoulders are forward and your head is a little bit forward like that, it starts to put stress on your spine. Okay. Over the years, that stress will lead to changes in your spine, right? So, for example, this is what a healthy neck looks like, but over time, it can start to become straight, right? And then it can even reverse, going in the opposite direction as your posture kind of does that, right? Then that starts to create stiffness, pain. You get like the manhid, like those types of stressors that you feel, right? Headaches as well, okay, dizziness, all those that you're already experiencing. When you're sitting all the time, especially like if you're driving, if you're traveling, that's going to put a lot of stress on the spine, right, and your low back. And both you girls, your right leg's a little bit shorter than the left. CJ, yours is worse. Yeah. So what happened is like here, okay, your pelvis has rotated forward like that, pulls the leg up, then your hips are hindi pantay, right? And part of that is that.
This doing this stuff.
Yeah. Because what are your hips doing when you, right? Like, if so, we do this all the time. That starts to create that imbalance. Right? Yeah. Same like sleeping on your side, right? And if you throw your leg over, same, right? Okay. So with chiropractic, what our goals are is to first get you out of pain or discomfort, right? Secondly, to improve your function, right? So better balance, better flexibility, better mobility, right? Get rid of all that stiffness and so on. And then finally start to work to improve your posture. So you want to rebalance your hips, bring your shoulders back, right? Fix your position of the neck. so that then going forward, these things don't like come back again, right? That being said, every day you put your body under different stress, right? Like being in a car or, you know, sitting on a plane or whatever it is, right? How you sleep, so on. And so we want to make sure that those things don't lead to like serious problems in the future, right? So it's not just doing chiropractic to fix current problem, but we also want to do it like as a maintenance thing, just like how you brush your teeth, right? To prevent cavities, same type of thing with chiropractic. So that's kind of how it works. The way that we do it here is you do a series of sessions so that we can start to make those changes to your body over time, just like with exercise, right? Okay. So what I'd recommend is doing corrective care, and we're going to start a few times a week. And then as you get better, then we'll readdress as we go forward, okay? We're going to do exercises, we'll do some stretches along the way so that we can keep those changes and strengthen those postural muscles too, yeah? And that's it. It doesn't take a lot of time, right? But it's that repetition that makes a lasting change. Cool? All right. So two things, okay? Two things before we finish. First time getting adjusted, sometimes because your body's changing and it's something new, right? You might feel a little bit of soreness. Just like if you haven't exercised for a long time, the next day you're a bit sore, right? So just know that that's normal. Don't freak out if you haven't.
Sabi parang bumigat yung batok.
And then the second one, you'll have a good sleep. Yeah, because everything is relaxed, your nervous system is reset, so you can look forward to it. Okay? So I'll pass you to Mama Jo. She'll go over everything in detail, and then we'll see you again next week. Yeah?
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you. Thank you po. May next week pa daw.
Pero nakakatanggal ka talaga sila, ano? Nagkaroon na yun. Ang lakas ng dito sa likod. Oo, ang dami umano. Kasi isa lang yung nagaganon ko eh. Yung kanina ang dami.
Ang dami. Pareho sa akin. Magkabila.
May pagkatapos, diba?
Pag ginaganyan
Tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Kitang-kita yung mukha mo dito. Kaya mukha. Ano?
Tingin. Nakakatuloy mo ako. Sabay na ba?
Phase 1 natin, twice a week muna for 4 months. 32 visit at yun. Then after nun, another 16 session. Doon pa yung tayo mag-once a week. Once a week. Total of 48 for corrective care package.
Yung ano?
Yung, eto natin. 48 sessions for 78. Lumalabas lang siya ng 1,600. Per average, compare natin kapag single is 4,000. At yan, na-discount natin 114,000. Then, waive na yung consultation today.
Pala yung sa binigay nurse, parang ano pa lang yun, estimated pa lang.
Alin po?
Yung sa binigay na
Ako. Based pa rin sa recommendation ng doctor natin.
So, bali, pwede po kumuha ng muna, like, single consultation, parang gano'n.
Ay, hindi po. Kailangan nakapackage na tayo.
Ay,
Or kung-
bali,
kasi-
kailangan kumuha ngayon. Parang gano'n.
Kasi di ba plan mo muna mag-pay na pwede ka naman
Pwede sana.
pwede ka
Bali
naman
yan.
mag-pay. Then, i-ano mo muna. Dito muna tayo. Then, i-consider ko on the third visit kung gusto mo siyang i-continuous. Or i-upgrade for 48. Or
Okay.
pwede naman, dito muna.
Ito muna.
Yes.
Ay, so paano yung sa akin po? One session
One
lang?
session lang.
Bali, single ka lang muna.
Oo.
Ayaw mo kumuha ka.
Hindi mo na, wala pang budget.
Bali ako, ito muna yung sa,
I-ano.
yung sa EDSA. May card.
Ako, party. Separate po ba yung payment?
So ito, si G. Ay, naiwan ko yung dagdag tanong na ako mag-online.
Sale, 24,000.
Yes po.
Tapos gusto mo kahit kahit 10. Sayang pa rin. Ma'am, savings po or
Yes,
checking?
service.
Tulog mo na.
Mag-ano pa kami. Biyahe ulit.
Sige po, upo muna po tayo.
Okay. Di ba morning galing Tarlac pa kami? Like ano?
Kinantok ako.
Masarap yung tulog mo. Okay, bye-bye po.
Thank you.
Isang phone ko.
Asa yun na inabot?
Dito ba?
Nantok ako. Thank you.
Uy, saka lang ako kuryente ka.
Saan? Inantok ako, guys.
Inaantok na kami. Gagi, magdadrive pa tayo. Ganun.
Guys, magre-relive na lang ako kasi...
Tignan mo yung mukha ni Pami. Inantok ka. Peke na. Peke na daw.
Mamaya na ako mag-ano kasi magdadrive na rin ako. Di ako. Masuspend ako.
Eh, pero hindi mo alam yung rest nila. Mabubudol yun. Di ba? Kaya sabi ko, 24 lang naman.
Ano?
Kapag di mo alam yung mga rest nila, tama na, nag-walking ka lang. Mabubudol ka.
Oo.
Pero okay naman ano yan. Masarap yung, alam mo yun, ano ba? Kung ano talaga ano mo.
Mukhang diretso likod ko dito. Diretso likod ko.
Grabe, mahilig ako mag-posture. Sabi na hindi talaga patay ano ko dito. Sarap ng ano, gusto ko yung salit, kaminis.
Nantok talaga.
Kita nga yung mukha mo kanina, kita mo?
Naantok ako, guys. What if uwi mo na tayong Pasig?
Ikaw.
Tulog mo.
Inantok.
Naantok ako. Thank you for dropping, guys.
Ang sarap na matulog.
Maya na lang ata ako magla-live kasi maano ko. Naantok talaga ako.
Sing.
Guys, thank you for dropping pero mag-end live po muna ako at ako'y magmamaneho. Nakaka 289 dias na tayo, guys. Maya na lang po, guys. End muna ako, babay muna po.
Tok, ang mga
Ako'y naantok na. Naantok ako na nagugutom.
Ako rin.
Guys, bye-bye! Thank you for dropping. Bye-bye muna, guys. See you later.
Dapat